Hey there guys, welcome back to another episode. Look at this store and this store. Which store are you more likely to trust and purchase from? This one, right? But why? Because the products are shown clearly and the overall presentation is neat and informative, not chaotic and contrasting. Today, I wanted to walk you guys through some easy practical steps that you can follow even from the comfort of your home to achieve such results and increase the credibility of your online store. Let's begin. You see, the photos on your store are the only way for your customers to get a look and feel of the product before they make a purchase. These pictures create that first impression and attract the user to buy from you. And the first impression is always the best impression, right? Sometimes pictures are even more important than the price for some buyers. So we can't stress enough on the importance of product photography. Adding good quality, high resolution photos of the products on your store increases the credibility of your store and thus the chances of a customer buying from you. Now, before we move on to the ideas for clicking product pictures, let's have a look at the arsenal you need and for the different types of product photographs. Firstly, you need a camera, obviously, to click pictures. Could be a DSLR or a mobile phone according to your convenience. Secondly, lenses. There's a ton of them, but don't worry, you can easily get by with a couple of lenses at max, like a zoom or macro lens or a wide telephoto one. The third thing you need is a tripod. Why? Because the last thing you want is to have blurry, shaky, unclear images. That's an instant bummer. It's always best to mount the camera on a tripod or some steady support to avoid this. Last but not the least, you will need lights. Could be natural or artificial depending on the type of shot you're going for. For most cases, a simple LED light panel or a ring light should work. We'll look at more specific examples as we dive deeper. Now we can discuss the type of shots there are. The first one there is the studio shot. This is the most common type of product photo there is. When you think of product photos, something like this pops up in your head, right? This is exactly what a studio shot is. Although you can try different background colors just to see that the color complements your product properly. Like this. This background makes the product pop. For this shot, you need the basic plain background, a camera, a proper lighting, and that's all. The second type of shot is the lifestyle shot. This kind of picture shows to your customers how their life would look like if they had this product. Like in this picture, your customers will see that with the advertised product, their life will be so serene, calm, and clean. For this type of picture, you might need some extra elements or props to create a proper setting for the shoot. You can add other items from your store to this setting as well. The third type is the detail shot. This kind of image brings out the details of your product. Like here, you can practically count the number of little diamonds on the ring. Now for these type of pictures, you will need a zoom or a macro lens and great lighting. The natural window light might not cut it for this shot. The fourth type is the scale shot. This showcases the true size and shape of the product. The shot also needs some other elements so that the viewer can compare, relate, and gauge the true size of your product. As you see in this image, the face roller fits perfectly in a hand. You can compare your product with another similar product. If you don't have anything to compare the sizes with, just hold the product in your hand and click. The fifth kind is the group shot. It is usually used for packs of products, like when you want to show the different colors or sizes of the t-shirts you have or the different blades on a razor. For this kind of shot, you will need proper light so that all the product in the group are clearly visible. The last type of shot is the process shot. It shows the process of the product being made. You can use this to show off your handmade goods and tell them about all that goes into making their favorite products. You can use one or all of these shots for your products. And if you need some more cool ideas for clicking those product pictures, keep watching to find out. Ideas for product photography. We have a list of 5 awesome ideas for you to use in the next product shot. Here we go. The first idea we have for you is to use the macro shots. Macro shots are super fun, clear, and show your product's intricate detail. Engage your viewers' senses with the magic of macro shots, and they are sure to be intrigued about your product. The second idea you can try is creating a scene. Now, you can create a scene by adding other elements into the scene, dimming or brightening the lights, or playing with the background. Make sure to add elements that make the product pop. The third idea is to befriend freeze frame photography. Freeze frame pictures work the best with fast-moving products. They're also one of the coolest picture ideas ever. Sure, it takes time to master this type of photography, but once you get the hang of it, this will be one of the most powerful and engaging picture you will use for your product. Our fourth idea involves manipulation. No, not with your customers, but your pictures. Manipulate your images. The common way to do it is to edit your pictures, combine two or more to create one masterpiece. And now the last idea we have for you is to use props. Use mirrors or reflective surfaces as props, or add other products from your store to set the scene. You can also suspend your products using string or fishing line, which can easily be removed through post-shoot. So there you have it, all the type of shots you can click for your products and cool ideas to execute those type of shots. Get clicking. See you in the next video.